Sometimes in a query function, you will need to talk about the literal contents of a cell. In this case, you will need to demarcate these contents with a set of single quotes. For example, let's say you want to know how many participants said they nearly always vote in the general elections. We can enter the query count H, where H contains nearly. Nearly must be put in single quotes since it's the literal contents of the responses we're searching for. And as we can see, 7 people responded with nearly always in this section of the data. Double quotes are necessary in exceptional cases where a single quote exists in the literal we're working with. For example, with contractions. I changed unable to vote to can't vote in this dataset to demonstrate this exception. The computer cannot use context to differentiate between apostrophes and single quotes, so we'll have to use an extra set of double quotes in this instance. So let's enter the same function, only this time we're working in column I instead of column H. And so the new formula will be equals query A through J, since these are the columns we're working with. Select count I, where I contains can't. But like I said, we're going to have to use double quotes because it contains a single quote within the literal. Remember that literals are case sensitive, so don't forget to capitalize when the literal contents are also capitalized. You'll need 2 double quotes to introduce the literal, because a single set denotes the end of the function, and then you will need 3 double quotes at the end to signal that the literal is contained and that the function is complete. It's kind of messy, but that's how it works. And so you can see that 3 people in this section of the data set said that they can't vote.